Namaste children, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So in today's English class, we are going to see a poem. This poem is from your literature reader. So before entering into the poem, I will ask you some questions. What you can see in the sky during the night time? What are the things we can see in the sky in the night time? Yes, we can see moon, stars, etc. Right? Yes. Today our poem is also about the night. Yes. Our poem name is 12 o'clock. Shall we move on to the poem, children? Yes. So now we are going to see about the poet. The poet is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher and painter. Because he is multi-talented person, so he has been in many fields. He reshaped Bengalis literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He is not only a poet but also he is well and good in writing, composing the poem, philosopher and painter. And also main thing I want to share with you children, he is the person who has wrote the national anthem Jana Gana Mana. You all remember, right? Yes. Now we can move on to the poem. I will read and explain the poem line by line. Mother, I don't want to leave off my lessons now. I have been at my book all the morning. So in these two lines, what they are saying that the boy is saying, because from the morning he is studying. So what he is saying to his mother, so from the morning I was studying, so I want some break. You say it is only 12 o'clock. Suppose it isn't very late. Can't you ever think it is afternoon when it is only 12 o'clock? So when the boy says that, the mother is saying that it is only 12 o'clock. For that the boy is asking, you don't think that it is already afternoon, because this boy was studying from the morning. Okay. At last afternoon 12 o'clock has been reached. I can easily imagine now that the sun has reached the edge of the rice field and the whole fisherwoman is gathering herbs for a supper by the side of the pond. So this boy is imagining and saying to his mother that already the sun has reached the edge of the rice field. The rice field means farming, where they will do the farm. Okay, so the sun has already reached the edge. And also I can able to say that the fisherwoman was collecting herbs. Herbs is nothing but it's a kind of thing which will be added in the food for preparing food. Okay, so the boy is saying that the fisherwoman is gathering herbs for a supper by the side of the pond. அதாவது நைட்டுக்கு வந்து அவங்க டின்னருக்கு வந்து ரெடி பண்ணுறதுக்கு she is collecting the herbs from the pond. I can just shut my eyes and think that the shadows are growing darker under the madder tree and the water in the pond looks shiny black. So what he is saying, it is almost 12 o'clock ஆனனால என்னாச்சு ஈவினிங் ரீச் ஆக போகுது. It is about to reach. So what this boy is saying, he can able to see the shadows are growing darker, because only in the afternoon we can see the shadows clearly, but when it comes in the evening we can able to see the shadows will merge with the dark color of the that is when the night is going to come, it will merge with that and the shadow is getting darker. So he can able to, madder tree is nothing but you can see the small trees, that is a ericum poonjolo, that tree we will call it as madder tree. Okay, so the water in the pond looks like shiny black. So when it gets dark, how the water will be the color? It will be in black in color, because the water will take the color of the sky's reflection. In the morning you can see it in the blue color, right? Because the sky is blue in color, so we can see the reflection in the water. So when it is evening, it will be looks very shiny and dark. If 12 o'clock can come in the night, why can't the night come when it is 12 o'clock? So the boy is asking one question to his mother that then 12 o'clock can come in the night. 12 o'clock nightum vara mudiyumna, why night can't come in the afternoon 12 o'clock? Night வந்து afternoon 12 o'clockல வர முடியாது அப்படின்னு he is asking one question to his mother. So this is the poem, children. I will go through the poem. I will read the poem once again. So listen carefully. This poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Mother, I do want to leave off my lessons now. I have been at my book all the morning. You say it's only 12 o'clock. Suppose it isn't very late. Can't you ever think it is afternoon when it is only 12 o'clock? I can easily imagine now that the sun has reached the edge of the rice field. The old fisherwoman is gathering herbs for her supper by the side of the pond. I can just shut my eyes and think that shadows are growing darker. Under the madder tree in the pond looks shiny black. If 12 o'clock can come in the night, why can't the night come when it is 12 o'clock? I hope you all understood the poem very well, children. Yes, herewith I am attaching the worksheet for you. So write a paragraph about Rabindranath Tagore. So this you can write in a homework notebook. Is it clear, children? Yes, we will see in the next class. Thank you.